Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add a free trial in Stripe. So all you have to do is head over to your Stripe dashboard. Just make sure that you're logged into your Stripe account. Then next, in your left panel, just click on Billing. Then click on Subscriptions. So we are currently at the test mode and all you have to do is click on Create Subscription. So from here, all you have to do is fill in all the required fields such as find or add customer, then also add subscription details, the duration of the subscription, and also the pricing. You also have an option to collect tax automatically. You also have an option to change this bill starting date. And from here in the free trial days, this is where you can add a free trial. All you have to do is click on add trial days and just enter the days of trial that you want to add. Say for example, 3 days. You also have an option here to pause or cancel if trial ends without a payment method. Then once done, you can proceed by creating the subscription. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!